Hey fANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Today I'm going to be testing these two eyeliner products. This one, unfortunately they're not the same brand, but this one is by Elf, and this is the Proof Eyeliner Pen, and it is waterproof. This one is by L'Oreal, the Infallible Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. So this is for my waterline and this is for my eye. So I'm going to apply both of them and then put it to the test by jumping into the pool. So let's test this out. I'm going to first apply the waterline pencil. And then actually, you know what? I'm gonna set it with my One Size mattifying waterproof setting spray, just to be sure. So I'm going to make a pretty big wing. I'm going to start right where my crease starts. Oh my god, I totally forgot this was a felt tip. Shoot, I really messed up. I am so not used to liquid liner since I always use eyeshadow for eyeliner. That side looks pretty good. I just have to fix up the other side. And now I'm going to set that with my One Size Beauty setting spray. Now let's go jump in the pool and see. Hopefully I don't have raccoon eyes after this, but let's go. I hope I don't get in trouble. Oh, it's so bright. Okay. I feel like I have to take my contacts out though.
Nope, close your eyes.
Is it still on?
Yeah, it is actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, I can't see any of the towel. Okay, I'm good. So the eyeliner is still on.
Yep.
Oh my god. Everything is still on. That's crazy. So it really is waterproof. Okay, well you guys saw it first. Make sure to go get these products because these are definitely waterproof and perfect for the summer, for wherever you are. Actually, the pool is not that cold. It's kind of heated. My bottom is falling.